Today I'm going to make a threaded flange bolt, and I have an empty design right here. The first thing I'm going to do is come to Create Sketch. I'm going to click on that. Let's go down and pick a plane. I'm going to pick this one. Click on that. And I'm going to go to Create. I want to make a polygon, a 6-sided polygon. So go down here where it says polygon. We're going to do circumscribed polygon, right? And then click that. So we're going to go to the center, pull this out, right? And you can see the circle is inside the polygon, right? That's what we want. I want this to be 4 millimeters. I hit 4. It's pretty small. That's all right. We're going to zoom in a second. If I hit my tab, I can come over here and change the sides, the edge number, right? But I want it at 6. That's perfect. So tab will allow you to move in between. Let's hit enter. And now I'm going to use my mouse wheel to scroll a little bit. Hold the mouse wheel down, recenter, and drag. That'll recenter it. Scroll some more. That's pretty good. Notice on my sketches, if I open it up, I don't have my little red padlock saying that it's fully defined, and this is blue. We'd probably be all right with that, but let's go ahead and hit constraints. How about we add horizontal vertical constraint? Find the pointy side. Mine's here. Yours could be on this axis. It doesn't matter. Just click one of these pointy sides right here, and then click the center, and you're going to constrain your sketch so that it's along this axis or that axis. It doesn't matter which one. Nice. Now let's go ahead and finish this sketch. And we can hit our home, right? You see that little home, the little house? I want to extrude this up a little bit. Let's go to Create. We're going to go to Extrude. And then I'm not going to use this one here because this is going to pop up and it's going to mess up my video a little bit. Let's go over to distance. We could add it here too. I'm going to delete a couple of those numbers and do 3.5. There we go. All right, that's the bolt part. Let's add the flange, the big old washer that connects to the bolt. So hold the shift down. This is the orbit. I'm holding the mouse down too. That's how you make it orbit. So shift and holding mouse wheel down, and then you kind of move it around. Mouse wheel. Yeah, I don't know if I said that right. All right, there we go. So I'm going to click this side right here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to do Create Sketch. Nice. And I want to make a pretty big washer because I don't want my pulley wheel falling off when I use it for my pulley wheel project. Let's go to Create. Let's go to Circle, Center Diameter Circle. Go to the center of our sketch. Pull this out. I'm going to make this 12 millimeters, right? And this is the diameter, right? So that'll look good. Hit Finish Sketch. We want to extrude this too. So go to Create, Extrude. Click this profile. See, it says profile selected. Oh, let's click this one too. Now we have everything selected. Let's go to our distance, and I'm going to make this 2 millimeters. That'll work. Hit OK. Let's see what we got. Nice. All right, now we have to have the little threaded part sticking down, right? Hold the shift. I'm going to hold the mouse wheel down again to do the orbit. Select this side. Right click. Create a sketch again. Right, and then we'll go to Create. We're going to go to Circle again, Center Diameter Circle. Click the center, pull this out a little bit. I want this to be 5 millimeters. So I'm going to hit a 5. I'm going to hit Enter. Nice. All right, we're going to finish that sketch. We're going to go to Create. We're going to Extrude. And everything looks good here, right? We're not going to do New Body. We are actually going to do a join. But watch what happens when I select the profile. Boom. Did it go? Oh, no. Here, let's do this. Join. There. It's not a big deal if you do New Body. All right, for diameter, I think I'm going to make this 8.5. Okay. Hit your little house. Let's go to Create, and we'll do Thread. Nice. And I'm going to click on this shaft part. Boom. And this matched up with the shaft of the pulley wheel. So make these match mine, right? If you followed my video for the shaft for the pulley wheel. Cool. Let's hit OK. And now we have a nice little bolt that we could use when we're making our assemblies. Don't forget to save off your project and I will see you in the next video.